Breastfeeding is a beautiful, yet sometimes challenging journey for new mothers. Establishing a routine that works for both you and your baby is key to a successful experience. Here are some professional tips to help you navigate this special phase. 1. Prioritize comfort. Ensure you have a comfortable nursing area with proper back support. A nursing pillow can help position your baby correctly and reduce strain on your arms. 2. Stay hydrated and nourished. Breastfeeding can be demanding on your body. Drink plenty of water and maintain a balanced diet rich in nutrients to support milk production. 3. Master the latch. A proper latch is essential to avoid discomfort and ensure efficient feeding. Seek guidance from a lactation consultant if needed. 4. Incorporate pumping. Pumping can help build a milk stash, relieve engorgement, or support your return to work. Establish a pumping routine that aligns with your baby's feeding schedule. Remember, every breastfeeding journey is unique. Patience and persistence are key.